All right, we have one final example here. Again, as I've said before, all of our equations need to be in the form of ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. So all of our variables are on the right side, or the left side of the equation, and all of our constants are on the right side of the equation. Looking at my first equation here, I'm going to add y to both sides to get my y over there. I'm going to subtract 10z from both sides. And again, that will give me all of my variables on the left, my constants on the right, and I will have x plus y minus 10z is equal to negative 4. My second equation, I will subtract x from both sides, and I will have negative x plus 0y. I have no y term in this equation, so there's no y term. So it's 0y. I've moved, my 7z was already over on the other side of the equation, plus 7z is equal to 5. On my third equation, everything is all set. So I'm just going to write it down as negative 3x minus 5y plus 36 is equal to 10. I'm going to have another 3 by 4 matrix, I should say. My coefficients are 1, 1, 10, and my constant of 4, sorry, negative 4. For the next row, my coefficients are negative 1, 0, 7, and the constant value of 5. For the third row, negative 3, negative 5, 36, and 10. I'm going to go ahead and enter those in my problem here. So second, x to the power of negative 1 to get to our matrix. Over a couple times to hit edit. It's already a 3 by 4, hitting enter. 1, enter, 1, enter, 10, enter, negative 4, enter. Negative 1, enter, 0, enter, 7, enter, 5, enter. We're down to the final row, negative 3, enter, negative 5, enter, 36, enter, and 10, enter. All right, quit out of that by second mode, quits us out. Second, x to the power of negative 1 puts me back into my matrix. I go to math, scrolling up a little bit to get to r ref. Hit enter. I'm going to reference the matrix A, so second, x to the power of negative 1, hit enter for reference for matrix A, and I get that my solution now works. I have x equal to negative 5, y equal to 1, and z is equal to 0. That's okay for z to be equal to 0. Again, we can have quantities of 0 in real life. So my solution here would be negative 5, 1, 0. Okay? That's our lesson for today. Please go over it. Now begin to work on your homework assignment. I would anticipate possibly having a quiz tomorrow. Or, sorry, you're not going to have a quiz on Saturday. You're going to have a quiz possibly on Monday. So please anticipate that. Get your homework done and work with each other. If you have questions at this point, quietly, and I will see you again on Monday. Do anticipate some sort of quiz.